Yes, you're right, partner. Ang 7 years old below mga kaigsunan, mao na sila ang halad ug awit nga ginuluhan o growing in Jesus. O ang ato mga kabataan nga nagpakidalo og 8 to 10 years old, sila ang halad ug awit nga ginuluhan o ikaw ang gusto.
Okay, alright. So, karong kahaponon, ato na yung masaksihan ang mga nagalain ng mga hiyas kay halad sa ato ang mga kabataan.
Yes, partner. And now, here's our criteria.
Okay, this time I will be reading the criteria. Lyrical mastery, 30%, voice quality, 30%, audience communication, 20%, rhythmic and interpretation, 10%, and dynamic, 10%. A total of 100%.
And of course, our program will not be possible without our juries. So, partner, who is our juries for today?
Okay, partner, our first jury, he graduated Bachelor of Arts and Theology at South Philippine Adventist College, Brothers and Sisters, Pastor Richard Bandiniar.
Okay, and our next jury is also an AP Theology graduate from South Philippine Adventist College, no other than Pastor Jasper B. Catulaita.
Okay, our third jury, he also graduated with the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Theology at South Philippine Adventist College, Brothers and Sisters, Pastor Aben Gozo.
Okay, so karon manibawa lang nato mga kaigsunan ang ato ang mga juries for today. And I know good, partner, na excited kaayo na ang ato mga kaigsunan, especially ang atong mga representatives sa each care group. Labi na ato ang mga Facebook Live viewers nga nag-view karon sa Facebook page sa atong hello, diha at maayong hapon at malipayong adlaw ipapamulay ka natong tanan. sister or